Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a what's in my bag. So this is my Louis Vuitton Riviera. This is my work/school tote. And if you've been following me for a bit, then you know this week is comprehensive exam. So it's essentially my finals that qualify me for my dissertation. So I'm off this week working on those, and I'm doing half days at like a coffee shop, primarily Starbucks, half day at home, just to switch it up and move around a bit. So I want to share what's in my bag for school. And that way y'all can get a sense of different ways that I use this bag, because I absolutely love it. So I have received a few questions. This is a vintage bag. I love it. I absolutely love it. I can't travel with it. I'd love to, but it's too bulky and it doesn't fit in a suitcase. I would have to use it as a personal item, and I've been preferring to use other bags instead. So I primarily use this here. And so here is the top overview of everything. So starting with my laptop, of course, we have that. And I have this cover from Amazon that I absolutely love. There is a organizer in here. And I have my iPad mini. I use this for articles and highlighting different notes with EndNote for studying, so that way I can type my paper here, look at articles, and you can transfer it over with like Sidecar, which is really great with Apple products and why I love Apple products so much. And then I have my academic planner in here. This is my medium ring agenda. It's just a weekly planner, and end of month flips are coming soon, so I'll share the most recent update. But overall, it's just all of my assignments and breakdown of what I'm doing and what is due. So I typically put this here. I'm also kind of unpacking the bag right now, but I have that. This is my glasses holder. I'm currently wearing them, but these are for my eyeglasses, and there's a cleaning cloth in there. Typically keep this right here. And then I have my keys, and then this is actually my agenda cover, and I use this for work. I'll get in that in just a moment. I'll finish what's in here. So other than that, I have a pen in one of the pockets, and then I have my Louis Vuitton pochette accessory, and this has all of my chargers, some sticky notes, my AirPods that I use, and then just random miscellaneous items. I came back straight from a work trip in Chicago to comprehensive exams, so I haven't cleared this out. Typically I just carry like a charger for my phone and then my laptop, but this has all of my chargers in here since the trip, and I just need to clear it out. But I also have my AirPods in here. These typically go in my key holder, but my key holder is attached to my backpack, so I just threw them in here earlier. And yeah, that's everything inside of there. I keep this on my planner cart, or like right here when I'm not using it. And then for my agenda, so again, this is my agenda cover. And then I have an Hermes notebook and the Hermes planner in here for 2023. This is my work planner, but since I'm off this week and just focusing on comprehensive exams, I've been using this to kind of like map out everything for the day. I need a fill in for today. I'm filming this on Tuesday, but I typically have been doing that while I've been at home. So that's what I'm gonna do, is pretty much map out what I'm doing now. I use the mornings to like get organized. And then I have all of my notes and stuff in here. I've just been like outlining and everything, and like writing anything that I need for my exams inside of here. So that is the planner that I'm currently using. And yeah, other than that, that is what is inside my bag for my comprehensive exams, aka finals. And that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.